Good morning, guys. Welcome to another start of a day. It is a Monday. Today, the kids are going out with my parents. So, sasama sila ng lolo't lola. Pupunta sila sa mall, manonood sila ng movie. And actually, it will be Ark's first time to watch in the cinema. So, hindi pa niya na-experience. Siyempre, ideally, gusto ko sana kami yung kasama niya. But at the same time, hindi pwede kasi we have a baby. So, si lolo't lola na lang muna yung makakasama niyo dyan. Nanood sila ng, I think, Garfield lang yung showing na pwede nilang panoorin today. Art, drink your milk na. So, meron tayong mga titiklop na naman na labahin as usual and also clothes ni AL na sinampay yesterday. Hindi ko nga lang alam kung natuyo na kasi medyo makulimlim kahapon. I know that I've mentioned na gusto ko every day or parang more often I get to share yung devotionals that I read or yung parang takeaway ko from the devotionals that I'm currently reading, but as you can see, hindi ko siya nagagawa. So, I just want to share with you na lang my takeaway from yesterday's service. The topic yesterday is Jesus overall, meaning Jesus is the reason for everything. He should be our everything. He should be our priority. He should be our main focus in life. And His mission should be our mission. And I think one of the takeaways that I have from yesterday's preaching is that because Jesus, He redeemed us, diba? He's our Redeemer. Because there's already this big gap between man and God because of sin. But because of Jesus, we were able to reconcile with the Father. Isa sa mga tumatak sa akin from yesterday's message is that when God sees us, since Jesus paid for our sins through the cross, through dying on the cross, whenever God sees us, He no longer sees our sins, but He sees Christ in us. And so, that being said, our response and because of that grace, because we received that kind of grace from the Lord, our response should be that we should live our lives according to His purpose. We should live our lives for Him. That's why Jesus over all. It means over our own dreams, our own aspirations, or kung ano man yung gusto natin mangyari sa buhay natin. We should always put Jesus first, and we should always pray for His wisdom that, yung kung ano man yung dreams, aspirations, or plans natin, that they are aligned with what He actually wants for us. And if ever that doesn't pan out, for example, hindi yun yung nangyari, or may iba palang plano si Lord for our lives, that we will have this humble heart to really surrender everything to Him. And by surrender, meaning whether it happens or not, that we will be joyful, that we will glorify Him. So, I think, yun yung challenging as a Christian, no? Kasi, of course, as humans, we have goals, diba? On our own. But sometimes, yung goals natin, hindi pala yun yung plano for us ni Lord. And, again, a humble heart, yun yung dapat meron tayo, na mas alam ni God kung ano yung mas best for us, mas alam ni Lord kung ano yung nakikita niya, or kung ano yung pinlano niya. It's always for our own good, it's always what's best for us, and we should welcome it. Kaya nga surrender, we should obey Him and trust in His plans, always. So, yun yung isa sa mga takeaway ko from yesterday's service. Marami pa, pero for me, yun yung pinakatumatak sa akin. Yes! So, yun lang. Okay, BRB! Good morning, guys! So, first order of business today ay... What are you doing?
I am giving away my toys, so the kids will bless me.
So, you can share your blessings
Yes.
to other kids.
Yes.
Kasi yesterday, pumunta dito sila mami para ihatid sila. Tapos, sinundo muna sila kasi pumunta sila sa cinema. Panood silang sine. Tapos, hinatid din sila. Pero may dala na namang toys sila mami. Meron na naman siyang dalang isang ganito.
I can give these balls to Vivian.
Yeah. isang plastic bag ng toys. Pwede niyang ibigay. So, ngayon si Ark ay nagsisegregate ng toys for keeps or for donation and for trash na. Kumbaga, to be thrown away na. I want him to do it by himself kasi gusto ko bukal sa kalooban niya yung pagbibigay. So, kung ready na siya i-let go, we will put it in the box for donation. Kung hindi pa, he can keep it, but he has to make sure that he will play with it, and then probably will go through it again in a month or in 2 months, and then tignan natin kung nilaro niya or kung gusto na niya, ready na siyang ipamigay. Ganito rin yung ginawa namin with Ain and Evie. Pag namimigay ng toys, hindi ako yung nagde-decide or hindi si Omar. We want them to decide it by themselves or for themselves if they are ready to give away their toys. Since ayaw namin persahin. Kasi yung mga toys, ayan, basically, that's their possessions. They own it. So, they own those toys. And so, we want na, kung gusto nila ipamigay, kumbaga, sabi ko nga, bukal sa kalooban nila or they are really willing to donate them or to give them away or to throw them if necessary, if sira na talaga. So, that's what he's doing there. Medyo marami pa siyang aayusin, isa-segregate dahil medyo babagal. Pero okay lang. This one. Throw.
Yes.
Give it away. This one, give it away.
No.
No? Why? What's this for?
The risk.
This one's for babies, but it's so dirty. You think we should wash this for Ayo?
Yes, wash it.
This one? Not this, because this is expensive. This is at Aid's. Now, what's the goggles?
My minion goggles?
Let's give it away.
No. This
Hindi na
is
to kasi sa'yo.
this.
How about this?
Oh yes. No, don't give away my marble particle.
In the car, cruising around with you and my baby. You know that I got you. Hit the road, I'm taking off with you. Not in a hurry. It's okay.
Okay, done with the first bin. Ayan, binabalik na ni Ark yung kanyang mga ikikip na toys. These ones are the ones that he is willing to give away. And then we have a trash pile over there. Good job, Ark. Next.
I'm so happy that hindi man finally, we have been working with a lot of volunteers since last year. Actually, we started na manghingi ng pagbo-volunteer, no, yung iba dito nandito na, no, nung February pa lang.
What are you giving away? The cars?
I can slide.
No, not this one. This is for Ayo. Not those ones. Not like that one.
Okay.
Okay, so
Magnetic.
today Ark's going through his car container, car bin. Ayan. So ito yung mga car toys niya. Ito daw yung mga ikikip niya, and ito meron na siyang mga nailagay dito na mga toys na pwede na niya ipamigay. So yung mga ganito. Yan, tapos meron ding mga medyo luma na toy cars. Yep. Pero this one, ayan, yung train na yan, pwede yan for AL. Pag medyo malaki-laki na siya, so we will keep that for AO. Wait, I said these ones are for AL. Why are you putting it there?
I forgot.
Ay, 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 ay.
Good.
Is this the only one? Are there only 3?
Wait, whoa. Where is he?
This one's,
I'm jumping in.
pwede pa to for AL. So, we'll keep this for AO.
I think
Look
this
at, there's another one here.
Okay. Connect them.
Okay, so tapos na siya dito sa mga toy cars niya. Itong bin na to ay aking lilinisin lang bago niya ibalik yung mga toys na ikikip niya. So, ito yung mga ikikip niya na toys. Yung nandun, itatapon na. So far, ito yung ating donation box. Medyo marami-rami na siyang laman. Nasa 2/3 na siya. So, which is good. Dancing. Let's see. Let's see you dancing. Okay. So, apart from that, itong lookout tower na to, tapos ito yung mga characters. Tatago muna namin. Baka kasi si AL, pag medyo malaki na siya, ay magustuhan to. Ayoko rin naman siya ipamigay or ibenta muna. Tapos, and then itong parang, I don't know, interactive play, hindi ko alam kung anong tawag dito, but, madumi siya, obviously. So, kailangan linisan. And then, itatago rin namin to kasi pwede rin tong laruin pa ni AL. I think, all of the buttons here are working pa naman. So, ayan. This one and this one. Wiped out. We will wipe it. And then, keep it in a box, maybe. And put it in the attic. Tapos, yeah. This chain. Yes.